boys and girls. Good afternoon. I have a small group activity that you could do with something as easy as going outside and finding some leaves. So first, I'm going to read you a book called Colorful Leaves. And this is called a non-fiction book. It means it tells us some facts. So it's kind of like a science book. It's going to tell us some things about leaves. It's not like a story. It's going to tell us some things about trees. Can you guess which of these pictures show leaves? All of them. Yes, leaves come in many shapes and many sizes. A leaf is a part of a plant. Trees are plants. Different kinds of trees have different leaves. An oak tree can have more than 1,000,000 leaves. I'm going to show you an oak leaf. I found an oak leaf on my walk today. This right here is an oak leaf. Some trees have leaves that look like stars. Some trees have leaves that look like feathers or fans. Some trees have leaves that look like hearts. What other leaf shapes do you see? Do you see some other leaf shapes? I'm going to show you a couple shapes that I found on my walk today. See this one? There's a different shape, right? And this is an oak one. See how there's pointy edges on this one? And this one's kind of round all the way around. And then even this one, let me find a maple leaf right here. This one's a maple leaf. See? So they're all kind of different shapes. So when you go outside, different trees have different shaped leaves. You'll have to take a really close look at them. Leaves have an important job. They make food for the tree. Trees need this food to grow. Leaves can also be food for bugs. See? The little ladybugs and little other beetle bugs. Those are Japanese beetles. They're also eating the leaves, so it's food for them too. Leaves use energy from the sun to turn water and air into food. It's kind of like magic, right? The water and the air help them to make food. Tiny holes in leaves let the air they need to make food. When leaves use sunlight to turn water and air into food, it's called photosynthesis. That's a very big word. I want to see if you can try to say it with me. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. That's a very big word, right? That's how the water and the air turn into food. Healthy trees like this can live for hundreds of years. Leaves get the water they need from the soil. Rain falls on the ground and the tree's roots soak up the water. Thin tubes inside the tree carry water to the leaves. These tubes also carry food the leaves make to all the parts of the tree. So the thin tubes inside the leaves are actually called the veins. And the veins carry the food. Let me see. I'm going to show you this leaf, and I think you're going to be able to see the veins. So I'm going to get really close. See all these lines? These are called the veins. Can you say veins? It's pretty neat. A leaf's life. Leaves get their deep green color from something called chlorophyll. Here's another fun word. Chlorophyll. Can you say chlorophyll? That's the green color. Summer days are long and bright, and there is plenty of sunlight to help the leaves make food. When fall comes, the weather changes and the leaves change too. They turn red, yellow, and orange. And then they start to fall from the tree. In Maine, that's what happens where we live, right? In Maine, our trees, the leaves change colors and they fall off the trees. Fall leaves turn bright colors like this. See that one? It's changing different colors. The leaf's green chlorophyll slowly goes away and new colors show up. So as the leaves change different colors, remember the chlorophyll is what's green and it goes away and they turn yellow and orange and red. Then after fall, the season of fall, it's winter, right? And winter is here. It's time for the trees to rest, to sleep. The tree does not need much food now, so it does not miss its leaves. In winter, the buds cover the tree branches, and the buds hold tiny folded little leaves. when spring comes. So after fall, it's winter, then spring, right? And then summer. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Winter, spring, summer, fall. It's like a pattern. In spring, new leaves will uncurl from the buds. The tree will need more food so it can grow. How will it get this food? It will grow lots and lots of new green food, right? New green leaves make the food. The end. So boys and girls, I went on a walk today and I found all kinds of leaves that had already fallen from the trees. So this is something you could do with whoever's home with you. You could go on a walk and try to find a bunch of leaves. So I found, like I showed you, all kinds of different leaves. Some are dry and crinkly, like listen to this one, it's crinkly, and some just fallen off the tree and just started changing color. So all you need for this is you could find a bunch of leaves. And then you just need a white piece of paper. So if you could get a white piece of paper, you could take a leaf and you put it underneath your paper. See my leaf? It's going to go under my paper. And I'm going to put it right on top of my table. And then the next thing you need is a crayon. You could choose whatever color you want. I'm going to choose orange. So I'm going to find an orange crayon, okay? And then I'm going to show you how to do this. You put it underneath, okay? And then you're going to rub. This is called a leaf rubbing, okay? You put it underneath and then you're going to use this and you're going to go just like this while you're on the table. And I think you're going to be able to see the veins from the leaf. I'll show it to you when I'm all done. And see, so you just rub, 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 rub. And this is how I'm rubbing, right? You're just going side to side with your crayon. And then look. See my picture? You can see the leaf underneath it. See all the veins? It's this leaf. So you could make one of those. That's called a leaf rubbing. Or there's something else you could do. You could find some glue or glue stick, and you could glue a bunch of leaves all over your paper to make a collage. So you could glue them all on your paper and make a little collage of leaves that you found on your walk. So those are some fun things that you could do with leaves. I hope you guys have a wonderful afternoon, and I will see you soon. Bye.